lights out, lying in your arms, and these feelings start to change. One look into your eyes and I'm floating far away. I've never been here before. I don't know the score, but I never wanted you more than I do tonight. Escape.
So I'm going to start with the moisturizer first. So I'm not going to use any high-end foundation today. I'm using this really popular Maybelline Fit Matte Poreless foundation, and I'm in the shade 128. So I'm going to take the foundation onto my fingertips and start massaging it into my skin. The warmth from the fingers will help blend the foundation really well. Just take little amount and then blend it using very light circular motions. Take your time and blend your foundation really well. Before doing your makeup using your fingers, always make sure that you have really clean hands so that you don't put bacteria onto your face or into the product that we are using. Next, I'm going to apply some concealer to conceal my dark circles. Just blend it using tapping motion. Don't drag your concealer using your fingers. Just tap it. Now if you have any pimple or any pimple marks, so you can also apply the concealer there and just tap it to hide it. Now please note that cream products works best when you are using your fingers to apply your makeup. That is not the same case with powder products that can become patchy when you are using your fingers. So I am using only cream products today to do my makeup. So for my highlighter, I am using my favorite DIY highlighter, and trust me, I really use this in my day-to-day makeup, and it looks like that you are glowing from within. It doesn't look artificial. I don't know if the camera is able to catch up the light, but I can definitely see a really nice subtle glow which is appropriate for everyday makeup look. I'm also going to apply the same highlighter onto my lids for a really subtle shine. Now for my brows, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Clear Mascara because it gives a really natural look to your face and it doesn't look overdone. So if you're a student and you go to college or school, I think you can use this to groom your brows and it will look really natural. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes. And then I'm going to apply one of my current favorite mascara. This is Color Bar 30 Days Growth Booster Mascara. Although it didn't work, but it's really great. I love it. It gives an instant volume to the lashes. And since it's lash boosting, so it's enriched with really nice ingredients, so it's safe for daily use as well. Next, for my blush and for my lip shade, I'm going to use this NYX Soft Matte Lip Creme. And if you have any other creamy lipstick or any lip creme, you can use it as well of any brand. So anyways, I'm going to use it as my blush. Just tapping a little bit of this pigment onto my cheeks and then blending it using my fingers for a really nice natural flush of color. Now I'm going to finish off my look with a lipstick, and the lip cream that I'm using is this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Antwerp. It's one of my favorite lip shade. And this is the finished look. I really like how natural and subtle it looks. You can recreate this makeup look in less than 10 minutes and is appropriate for college and office. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and this video was useful for you in any way, and if it was, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that we can stay connected, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.